So let's start capacitor and its principle. So what is capacitor? Capacitor is such an arrangement which is used to store the large amount of electric charge and electric energy. And this is the combination or arrangement of two conductors which are just separated by certain distance and they should be insulated. It means we can say the arrangement of two conductors which are separated by some insulating medium between them. Insulating medium could be air, paper, mica, glass, whatever you want, you can take it. So it should be such a system of two conductors which should be always separated by some insulating medium, and they are going to use for storing large amount of charge and large amount of electric energy in a small packages, in a small space, right? How it can be done? So let's understand the basic principle of capacitor, how we can do that. Let's suppose we are having a metal plate A and we have given it the charge, positive charge. So this metal plate A has been charged, positively charged, and the charge has been distributed uniformly over the entire its surface. So just like that, if you think this marker is a metallic marker, and if by any way if I'll provide the charge, metallic charge, then it will be all over. It will be distributed equally in all over its entire surface, right? Now what we want to store the charge. Now for this, what we can do? We have given this charge maximum. It means afterwards it will be supplying the charge. It can't take more charge, or it will be supplying it, the charge would leave. So there will be leakage of charges. It means, let's suppose we have supplied the maximum charge, capital Q. Afterwards we can't supply it. So it has already maximum. Now we have already understood the concept of capacitance. Capacitance means ability to store the amount of charges. Now if we want to increase the capacitance of it, right, means more charge, and right now we can't do that. So is there can be some arrangement or some system through which still we would be able to give this system or this metallic plate A or to the entire system more charge. If we would be able to do that, then it would be the basic principle of the capacitor. For this, what we did, we took the concept of induction, charging methods, earthing, and then we thought, if anyhow I would be able to reduce its potential by knowing this formula of capacitance, C is equals to Q by V, if anyhow V could be reduced, then capacitance can be increased of the system. And since here we have already supplied the maximum charge, so it means in the charge we can't make it more. Otherwise, the capacitance can be increased in two manners, either by increasing charge or by reducing the potential. Now we have already given it the maximum charge, then capacitance, how will increase further capacitance? So it means there should be some way through which the net potential right now, whatever it would be having, the net potential could be decreased. So for this, we need to think, is there any way, is there any arrangement through which we can reduce the net potential, whatever is this metallic plate is having? We thought, and we reached at a certain point that, because before that we have studied the electrostatics. In electrostatic we got the concept of induction concept we got, and earthing concept we got. So what we did, we took another metallic plate B, which is initially neutral, and we kept this metallic plate B close to this metallic plate A. This is the straight one, right? You can understand my. Right. So this is the metallic plate B, neutral, initially neutral, and we kept this metallic plate B near to the metallic plate A. Now, because of the induction method, the charge will be created on the surface of metallic plate B, and obviously, since this is the positive charge, it would be attracting, means if there was the pairs of positive, negative inside this metallic plate B, which is initially neutral, all negative part or negative charges would be attracted by the positive charge of metallic plate A, and negative parts would be shifted in this side, and all the positive charge would be repelling the positive charges kept inside the metallic plate B. So the arrangement would become in such a way. So near to the surface, this side, what we can say, if this is left, this is right. Then this is left, this is right. So left of B, which is near to the right side of metallic plate A. So all the negative charge will be shifted or will be accumulated, and positive charges would be shifted because of the repulsion force of all the positive charges. Now we think what is going to happen now. I took the neutral plate B initially and just kept near to it. I didn't connect it so that the charge can flow. No, I didn't do that. But now, if I ask what is initially, let's suppose the total V total initially before keeping this metallic plate B, V total was V, right? Any V, or you can say V1 initially in the beginning, or V1, it is okay, right? V1. After keeping this plate B close to the plate A, what should be the total potential? It should be V dash, right? So V dash total should be, let's suppose it is V2. So it should be V2 should be greater than to V1, V2 should be equals to V1, or V2 should be less than to V1. We are going to check it, right? Now, let's think about it. This is the negative charge, and it is kept on the left of metallic plate B. That means, let's suppose this distance here to here, this is R1 from right side of A to the left side of B. And from, if I will consider here, this should be some R1 plus dr distance, or you can say R2 distance. Clearly, R2 is greater than to R1, means whatever charges are kept or they have accumulated in the right side of B are actually little bit more far as compared to the negative charges from metallic portion A. It means the distance between positive negative charges is less than as compared to the positive charges of A and B. And we know that the electric potential depends on R inversely. V is equals to KQ by R. So obviously those charge systems which are close together, their distance is lesser, that's why potential would be more. And where the distance would be more, potential should be less. It means the negative net dominating electric potential because of B should be -1. So negative charges would be trying to decrease the potential of A, while positive charges wanted to increase its potential. Whenever some positive concentration comes, it always increases the electric potential. In the electric potential is the scalar quantity. Whenever positive charges would be supplied, positive concentration of charges would be increase, we say the electric potential is increasing correspondingly. And similarly, if negative charges would be accumulated near about the positive charges, we say the electric potential is decreasing because of the negative charge. Since whenever we take the total sum, we directly add the V1 plus V2 plus V3. So if there are positive addition, then it's okay. Overall potential would be continuously increasing. But in between, if there is any negative charge because of which minus KQ by R, so it will be decreasing because of, for example, let's suppose it is we are getting this 3 volt, we are getting it minus 2 volt and then plus 1 volt. So obviously this will be 3 plus 1 minus 2. So we would be getting 2 volt instead of it. If there would have been plus 2 volt, then we would be getting it 6 volt. Got it? So it means we already knew this concept that whenever positive concentration should be there, the electric potential should be increased. I again recapped it so that anyone who is having doubt how it could be. So for this, so whenever positive charges would be there, the net electric potential increases. And if there is any negative charge or negative charges, it will try to decrease the overall total potential. So negative charge is trying to decrease the total potential of entire system, while this positive charge was trying to increase the entire system. Now we have to check what should be the net effect. Since negative charge is more closer to the positive one as compared to the positive, so it would be more effective since its electric potential will be more. As the distance is less, positive negative distance is less as compared to positive. So net electric potential of negative charge as compared to these positive ones would be more, and hence overall there would be net decrease in electric potential. It means if I'm saying V total, in the second case V dash total, if it is V2, then what should be the final answer? V2 should have become less than 2 V1. It means the entire system's electric potential would have been decreased by little bit amount, because this distance is not such a long or such a far distance as compared to R1 that the considerable changes can done. Only a few amount of electric potential, for example, if let's suppose due to minus charges we would be getting minus 10 volt. Then because of the because of these positive charges, we would be getting around plus 9 volt. It means there is net decrease of only 1 volt. But still, we would be able to decrease the electric potential. We could have managed to decrease the electric potential anyhow, due to which anyhow the capacitance should increase, and that was our aim. It means what we did, we introduced a neutral plate. Because of the induction negative positive came, because of these negative charges, the net electric potential of the entire system would have been decreased, although little bit of amount, but still because of there is some decrease in electric potential, the capacitance of the system has been increased. It means now we can supply more charge to this entire system. Now we can supply more charge to the entire system. This is the basic concept. Can we supply more charge although it was maximum? Yes, we can supply more charge because there was net effect of, because of these negative charges was there, it decreased the net electric potential, and hence just think about this. If somebody didn't get it, think about it. This is the tank. This is filled completely by water molecules, means water, till completely top level. It is completely filled. If you will supply more water, it will leak out. It will come out. Now, how can we increase? How can we pour more water to it? For this, what somebody did, he applied some trick. What trick? Nothing. Another tank can be joined, what will happen? These are the charges of the system only. Right now, how much charge is there? 100 charges there. Still, if you'll count, total 100 charges are there only. Right? Still, there are 100 charges only. But because of this different system, some charges will come here. It will decrease its volume. It means we will be getting more space to fill the water again. So anyhow, it will be able to manage to decrease its potential. Water potential has been decreased means water level has come down. It means more water can be poured now. Continuously, if we'll be able to manage to decrease its potential, more and more water can be supplied, more and more water can be supplied. Just once. So if we will be able to manage anyhow to decrease this potential, it means to decrease this water level, we'll be having the we'll be able to create more capacity for water, right? So anyhow, we increase the capacity of the for extra water. It means it can store more extra water. Similar concept is there, right? Can we increase the capacity of a system? Yes, we increase the capacity of the system by using this concept. Now, but if someone will ask, sir, what's the big deal? It's hardly making any difference. So then we studied another thing. What another thing we have already studied in electrostatic? Huh? Somebody new TikTokers asked lambda, theta, gamma, electrostatic induction. We studied what is the use. This is the use. Huh? कि capacitor कैसे बना? This is the use. What we did, we took the concept of earthing and I earthed it. Tell me what will happen now? All the positive charge will become neutral because from earth all the electrons will come and they will make it neutral. It means in general we say all the positive had gone to the earth. It means positive is Gaia. It has been escaped. Escaped from here. Only which kind of charge is now? Negative. Negative and only negative will reduce the entire potential by a considerably huge amount. That means there will be a huge amount decrease. There will be a more and more decrease of electric potential because of this arrangement. Because of more and more decrease, it means finally the V2 has become very, very less than to V1. V1 was the total electric potential of the system. V2 is the total electric potential after this arrangement. Now, since V2 has become very, very small, by this concept, C is equals to Q upon V, we have been decreased by a large amount. That's why C will increase by a large amount. More and more capacity would have been increased. So in the small space, now we can supply more charge. Because this whole portion is about to cancelling out the effect of this. It means how much charge we can again do that. That much charge again we can do that. Now, because when the another charge will come, again there might be some induction effect, another more. So more and more charge can be supplied. That's how we can increase the capacity of the what? Conductors. So, and such arrangement of two conductors having some insulating medium right now. I didn't show anything. It means you can assume as air. So, the arrangement of two conductors separated by some insulating material in between them, you can place paper, you can place mica, you can place rubber, any insulating medium. What will be the effect of other mediums? I will discuss it later. Right now, just think about the electric permittivity of the insulating medium of air. Epsilon naught is there, right? Air is what kind of matter we consider insulating, right? So if two conductors which have been separated by a certain distance through an insulating material, then the capacity of the system will be increased by a huge amount. And now the system can store more and more amount, and more charges means more potential energy can be injected. whenever we will require, we'll take this energy from it and we'll utilize it. Right? Where the uses of where we can use this concept? Where are the practical application of the capacitor? Where the capacitors can be used? They can be used in fan. Right? Capacitors is another name which in general language the people say, electric people or whatever, you have heard about. Condenser. Condenser खराब हो गया. Condenser weak हो गया. The fan की speed है, it would be decreasing. है ना? Electric people will come and will say, यार condenser खराब हो गया भाई साहब आपका, बदलना पड़ेगा. So condenser is nothing that plastic cylindrical white shaped something like that, जहाँ पे दो वायर निकले होंगे. Now what he will do? ये क्या करेगा, इन दोनों वायर को जो सॉकेट होते हैं, he will insert these wires here, निकाला, स्विच ऑन किया, फिर बाहर निकाल लिया. फिर क्या करेगा, इन वायर को टक करेगा. अगर उसमें से if they will be anyhow able to make the electric spark by some popping sound, pot, ठीक, then he'll say यार condenser तो ठीक है. If it would be damaged or it's not working properly, ये करने के बाद भी क्या कर रहे हैं, we are providing this charge. इसके अंदर ही वो सिस्टम, एक न्यूट्रल हो गया, एक फेस होता है, सभी को पता है, अर्थ न्यूट्रल फेस. सो इसको अगर मैंने फेस बोल दिया, फेस वायर, न्यूट्रल वायर, अर्थ वायर, तो न्यूट्रल पे तो कोई चार्ज आएगा नहीं. फेस पे आ गया, चार्ज कर दिया, और उसके बाद भी चार्ज नहीं हो रहा है, इट मींस इट्स नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली. सो अनदर नेम फॉर द कैपेसिटर इज व्हाट, कंडेंसर. ठीक है. And where we can use it, there are so many practical applications, and you can think, or you can say, in every electronic item capacitor will be there, whatever be the amount, it should be there to provide the smooth working. क्या होता है कि anyhow it will store whether small amount or large amount, it should. तो जैसे किक से स्टार्ट करते हैं और सेल पे स्टार्ट करते हैं, सो अगर पहले से ही वहां पे कोई चार्ज मौजूद हुआ तो it will quickly lighten up, है ना, वहां पे पहले से हुआ तो चार्ज जैसे ही चालू करेगा, किसी भी चीज को चालू करने के लिए क्या रिक्वायर्ड है, चार्ज. सो अगर वहां पे वो खराब हो जाएगा, खत्म हो गया, तो आपका वो ऑपरेशन, आप बहुत सारी किक मार रहे हो, जो सेल्फ खराब हो जाता है. So that is not storing properly that kind of charge. So there's so many practical applications. That's why nothing in this world is useless. तो आप कहते हैं ना, वो केवल वही लोग बात करते हैं जिनको इनके बारे में पता नहीं, और इनको केवल अगर पढ़ा भी होगा ना उन्होंने, तो उनके बारे में कभी सोचा नहीं होगा कि क्या है इसका और कोई यूज किया जा सकता है, खुद से कभी सोचा कि यूज करने का. तो आपके माइंड में पहला आना चाहिए, यार इस कॉन्सेप्ट को मैं यूज कैसे करूं. जिस दिन आप इस एबल हो जाओगे, आपके आंखों के सामने चीजें तैरने लग जाएंगी, आपको अपना समझ में आ जाएगा कि व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ दैट. एंड बिलीव मी, 11th 12th फिजिक्स विल गिव यू those advantages through which you can create and change the world 100%. आपकी इच्छा जो आप चीज बनाओ, 11th 12th फिजिक्स will be there, जो आपकी हर इमेजिनेशन को फुलफिल कर सकती है. बट यू शुड नो हाउ टू यूज एंड वेयर टू यूज. क्या मुझे बनाना है, इमेजिन करो यार ऐसी चीज का क्या कॉन्सेप्ट हो सकता है, चार्ज को स्टोर कर रहा है, एनर्जी बना रहा है, इससे मैं ऐसा कर दूंगा, वैसा कर दूंगा, इसमें ये यहाँ पे कर दूंगा तो ऐसा हो जाएगा क्या. इफ यू विल इमेजिन और उसका प्रोटोटाइप बना करके उसका एक वर्किंग मॉडल बनाओगे, तब जाकर के आपको समझ में आएगा कि व्हाट्स द बिग डील अबाउट इट. सो इट्स अ क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग एंड क्वाइट यूजफुल थिंग. बस एक बार आपका माइंड इतना ओपन हो जाए कि आप इनके बारे में समझ पाए. ठीक है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इट. प्रिंसिपल क्या हुआ, किसी भी तरीके से इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल को कम कर देना, शुरू से इनिशियली जो भी था उसके इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल को कम कर देना. तो Q इज टू C इज टू Q बाई V में अगर V को कम कर देंगे तो कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाएगी. सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट. और उस कॉन्सेप्ट के बेस पर हमने ये कुछ अरेंजमेंट किया और वी वर सक्सेसफुल कि हाँ यार ऐसा कर दिया, हो गया. सो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड.